Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's find the option sound and vibration. Let's enter. Now we have to scroll down to find the ringtone section, and as you can see, we've got two different options. So we've got the ringtone, which is dedicated for the incoming calls, or the notification sound. I will show you how to change it using the ringtone, so let's tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available ringtones from which we can choose. So we've got quite a lot of them. What's more, we've got this custom section, and after tapping on this option, you will be transferred to your own files. So for example, if you will have anything downloaded from the internet or recorded by the voice recorder, it will appear right here, and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me get back, and here you've got the vibrations, which simply means that you can change the vibration patterns according to the ringtone as it is set right now, or just any kind of different types. I will not focus on it. So if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And let me maybe volume it down a little bit. It's too loud. So basically, this is how it works. You have to tap on it and you will be able to listen. So if you are happy with your choice and you're ready to set, for example, the cloud as the ringtone, all you have to do is to simply make sure that it is marked like here and go back. As you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.